So I saw a recent video on YouTube of some guy opening a beer bottle with a chainsaw, so we figured we'd try for ourselves and see if it can be done. Okay, so what we're going to try is two different types of bottles. We got one pop off and one twist off. We're going to see if there's any difference or if it'll do both. Did it work?
Yeah,
it worked? Decent.
That was pretty awesome.
Just like in the video, it works.
Not a fucking gash on it or what? Can you tell where it hit?
Nope.
No?
Not really. Right there. Not bad.
Clean cut around the edges?
Didn't even clip any glass. Good as a bottle opener right there.
Easy.
That works also.
No scratch on her?
Nothing. Good to go.
Perfect.
Remember to like and subscribe to this channel. I don't, but I should. You can tell it's a cedar because it's got some bark on her. It's got that Rocky Mountain there going through it.
Johnny would be proud of this one. Oh fuck. That scared me a little. Doug called me up this morning and we're going up to his place right now. And he's got something to show us. We're gonna go check it out.